Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take off Subaru WRX door panel. Start by lowering the window and disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical issues. I will walk you through a simple, step-by-step process that keeps your trim and clip safe. We will cover tool choices, fastener locations, wiring disconnects, and safe removal techniques so you save time and avoid breakage during the project. Begin by assembling the right tools and prepping your workspace for a smooth removal. Protect painted surfaces with tape and lay out a towel to hold small parts. I recommend keeping screws grouped by location so reassembly is straightforward. Photograph each step as you go. Photos act like a map when putting everything back. Work patiently around the edges to preserve clips and take breaks if anything feels stuck. Start with the visible screws at the armrest and lower edge, then remove the switch panel and door pull to reveal hidden fasteners. Use a trim tool to pop clips free, prying evenly to avoid stress cracks. Once clips are loose, tilt the panel upward to clear the window channel and lift away. Finish by unplugging electrical connectors and the latch linkage, then set the panel on a soft surface ready for inspection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.